You simply need to do it. You have to do it. I heard someone said that when you let a negative thought go along, it stays that way until you reverse it. Now, you can let go of your thoughts. That works as well. If they don't imprint your subconscious mind, it's okay. But sometimes you don't really know if it imprints your subconscious mind or not. So the safest way, the safest path is to reverse all your negative thoughts. Now, it does not mean that you will always be successful, but if you do it more often than not, then your dominant thought and your belief will become more positive than negative, and that's your main goal. You have to understand that your subconscious mind takes you at your word. So not only for your main goals and your main objectives and your main desires, but for everything in life, circumstances, people around you, etc., etc. So when it talks about suggestions, you have to always find a way to have those positive thoughts in your mind towards everything, because the more you can cultivate this positive attitude towards everything and everybody, the better your life will be. Now, it does not mean that it will be easy, but the more you practice it, not only with your main goals, but with everything, the more blessed you will be and the more good you will have in your life. When you are quiet, when you're calm, when your mind is still, you have less and less negative emotions and thoughts. And in those quiet moments, it's good to see where your intuition leads you. So if you feel like taking this action, if you feel like saying this, if you feel like going this way instead of the other way, even if it does not make sense, just take a chance. Now, it does not matter if it does not lead to where you thought it would lead you. It's good to not have so much expectations. It's just to follow the intuition and stay in the present moment. Wherever it leads you, it does not matter. Later on, you can see the bigger picture. But be still, be calm, be composed and poised, and just see where it leads you. We all grow old, but you have many cases, many people who age not only gracefully, but who look amazing as they grow older and are very strong as they grow older. Now, do they look as good as they did when they were young? Are they as strong? Now, I didn't verify case by case, but sometimes it might be the case. Maybe they're not as beautiful, maybe they don't look as youthful, but they still look great, and they still, more importantly, feel young. So it is important to cultivate the thoughts of being young and strong and healthy. Old age does not mean that you have to be breaking down. Does not mean that. You can cultivate strength, health, and well-being no matter what is your age. This is such an important key to being unstoppable. If you understand that everything has to grow to the approval of your mind, then nothing can bother you. No matter what someone says, no matter what happens in your 3D reality, even if it's contradictory to your goals and your desires, it does not matter. Because what is more important is what you accept inside. If you keep on only accepting what is in your mind, your desire as if it was already here, if you keep on accepting this and rejecting any other option, then you're good to go. Even if you sleep every now and then, it does not matter. If your dominant thoughts and imaginational acts are on your desire, it's all good.